So my name is Michael Hepworth. We're here in Gridley, California on JEM Farms. We farm 2,000 acres of walnuts here. When I moved into this role at this ranch, we were spraying with pull behind 200-gallon spray tanks that were very inefficient, very labor intensive, using a lot of chemical and still high weed pressure just because we weren't able to get on top of that. Our first year operating this machine with the WeedSeeker, we also started bidding out our chemicals, so that factors in as well. But we saved 75% on our herbicide costs year over year, last year to now. So with the WeedSeeker 2, our operation, we've basically just been able to cover our ground more efficiently. So whereas before we were running 2 sprayers pretty much year round, start of the season, end of the season, right before harvest when we were chemical mowing, those machines didn't stop running, save for a couple days here and there. Whereas this year, with the one operator on the one machine, we've been able to cover that same ground, and I feel like our weed pressures are lower and we've sprayed less. We've had to go back and spray fewer times because we're able to go and get it right the first time.